This will give you an idea of what these online modules will look like. This one consists of 4 pages. At any time you can get your score on this. Right now I've gotten 0 out of 7. And you can also get a print version of all these notes. These are basically the notes for the semester. All the topics are covered in all these online sections. This contents will give us all the pages and what's on each page. So as you go through, there's reading, there's audio. This would be an audio clip. You just click play to listen to it. And there will also be video. Now in addition, there's going to be questions. Be sure to answer all of these questions and to check your answers. So for instance, once we do check answer, notice I've scored a point. My score is now 1 out of 7. So we will go through and we'll answer all the questions. As you can see, here's a video. Be sure to answer all the questions in every online section. In addition to audio examples and video examples, there are also what are called LiveScribe examples. LiveScribe gives you a version of the worked out problem with audio. It'll be my voice overlaid so you can actually hear me solving the problem as I go through it. In addition, there's a PDF version of the solution. For instance, if we want to see what should be said for h of 4, if we click on the link, it opens it up, and you can click play and hear me solve the problem as it's worked out. This can be expanded to full screen in order to better see it. Now, in addition, occasionally you'll see what are called quiz groups. This means that there's more than one question. Notice at the bottom of this one there's no check answer button. That means as you go through, you're going to click on next for however many questions there are. This one has 2 questions. Click next. At this point, be sure to click check answers so that you get your score so you know what it is. When you've completed the lesson, you go to type your name or identifier. You will put in your first and last name. Click on the button that says email score, which will email me your score, and then I will record it into Blackboard. Alright? You only need to email the score that you want recorded.